Well, local lawmakers are now calling for accountability and possibly the filing of criminal charges now that the emergency room at Crozer-Chester Medical Center is officially closed.
Yeah, CBS News Philadelphia Chief Investigative Reporter Joe Holden joins us live from Upland, Delaware County, where one lawmaker, Joe, says this fight is not over yet. Good afternoon.
Natasha Siafa, good afternoon to both of you. So accountability, that is a funny word for the people who are now unemployed, once nurses and doctors with the Crozer Health system. What does accountability look like? Hefty fines, possible criminal charges? Well, guess what didn't matter at 7 o'clock this morning? Accountability, because a woman was in labor and nurses who were being laid off ran to her help. Just moments from leaving it all behind and saying goodbye, Brenda Millar, a registered nurse in labor and delivery at Crozer-Chester for more than 30 years, said there was an announcement.
And overhead, I heard special delivery. No one else really reacted at first, and I'm going, they just said special delivery. And a special delivery for us means someone is in the emergency room trying to deliver a baby.
Millar clocked out last night, her final shift, but came back this morning to walk out with the overnight crew. But there she was suddenly with her team, helping one last person inside this long-running hospital. A young mother delivered a healthy baby.
We were all in tears at the delivery because it was both a sad and a happy moment. A beautiful baby was coming, so that is fun. But it's sad that we won't be able to do that for people anymore because they closed the doors, and it's terrible, and someone should have done something about this before now.
On Tuesday, Pennsylvania lawmakers delivered a strongly worded letter to the state attorney general asking criminal charges be filed against Prospect Medical Holdings, the bankrupt parent company of Crozer-Chester and Taylor Hospitals. State Senator John Kane has been pressing for accountability.
I'm hoping that the DA and the Attorney General are going to look into it a little bit more serious now. To me, it's serious. I believe that it should have been happening all along.
For now, unemployed Crozer workers like Brenda Millar say there is sadness and frustration, anger too, over how it came to this.
Patients are going to suffer terribly.
Who do you think needs to pay for this?
Prospect.
Yeah.
And I'm really upset with our government. They have bailed out car companies. They've bailed out airlines. They've bailed out this should have been this should not have happened. They should have bailed us out. They should have helped.
Pennsylvania Attorney General David Sunday did respond in a letter of his own to those Pennsylvania lawmakers, saying that if criminal acts occurred that we have jurisdiction over, we will pursue them. Once again, the stark reality, the contrast of losing your job, yet as you walk out with your colleagues faced with an emergency, that is what these nurses say they were called to do. They hope to find work elsewhere. We're live outside Crozer-Chester Medical Center. Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.
It is what they do. It's in their blood. I wish them the best, Joe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Joe.